If you're looking for a fast way to collect phone numbers through your landing pages, LeadPages might be on your radar. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use LeadPages to capture phone numbers seamlessly. But stick around till the end because I'm going to share a surprising alternative that might actually be better for your needs. You won't want to miss it. Now, first things first, creating a simple landing page with LeadPages is relatively easy. But to effectively collect phone numbers, you'll need to add a form that asks for the specific information. So, let's start with that. The first thing you'll want to do is create your landing page in LeadPages. Select a template and make sure it fits the design of your business or offer. The template options are pretty good, but customization is key here. Now, once you've got the page set up, you're going to drag a form element onto your page. This is where you're going to collect your phone number. Next thing, you'll need to configure the form to include a phone number field. LeadPages has a simple form builder that lets you easily add and adjust fields. By default, there's a name and email field, but you'll need to click to add a phone number field. You can label it clearly to make sure people know exactly what to put in. The third thing, once you've added the phone number field, is to set up the integration with your CRM or email service. LeadPages supports integration with platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and others, so your phone numbers will be collected and automatically synced with your contact list. This saves you the hassle of manually entering information later. Now, the fourth thing you should know is about customizing the form's appearance. This is crucial if you want to get as many phone numbers as possible. You can adjust the colors, borders, and buttons to make sure it's eye-catching and clear. LeadPages does a solid job in offering simple, clean customization options that don't require any design skills. Next thing, let's talk about lead magnets. One way to really boost the number of people who submit their phone numbers is by offering an incentive. LeadPages allows you to create an offer, like a free guide or a discount, in exchange for their phone number. This can drastically increase conversion rates, as people are much more likely to give their info if there's something of value in it for them. The sixth thing to consider is setting up your follow-up. Once you start collecting phone numbers, you need a solid follow-up strategy. LeadPages doesn't handle SMS or phone calls directly, but it integrates seamlessly with services that do. If you're using a CRM that supports text messages, you can set up automated workflows to follow up with leads via SMS. This is a great way to nurture those leads. But here's the kicker, LeadPages, while good, isn't necessarily the best for phone number collection. While you can integrate it with your existing tools, the phone number collection process can feel a little clunky if you need a more robust SMS marketing strategy. That brings me to the alternative. If you're serious about collecting phone numbers and following up with SMS, there's a better option that works directly with text messaging systems, providing a more streamlined experience. I'll give you all the details in just a moment, but before we wrap up, don't forget that I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you click the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial of LeadPages, but I've also included some amazing alternatives that work even better for phone number collection and SMS follow-up. Through my link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.